This video contains 3 experimental processes, a base instruction and 2 variants, resulting from personnel status changes in an office environment. Experiments will be presented by 4 parts. 1. AssistantX's phone and inference. 2. Task progress. 3. Physical trajectory. 4. Third person's perspective. During the inference process, 4 LLM agents communicate in natural language to generate the next move. Perception agent perceives current context. Planning agent makes a holistic plan. Decision agent generates immediate actions. Reflection agent reviews and updates memory unit. Lee initiates a user instruction. Assistant starts to process it with a multi-agent framework. Assistant finds out that Lee did not send the electronic file, so Assistant asks Lee for it. After Assistant receives the e-file, it sends Mao a notification and a QR code while moving to him. Assistant awaits due to the unskinned locker state. Mao scans the QR code to open the locker. Assistant perceives the changing information of the locker. After planning and decision, Assistant sends Sun a notification and a QR code and moving to him for his signature. Assistant waits at the door and waits Sun to sign. After Sun went out and signed the file, Assistant perceives that Sun scanned the QR code and closed the locker. Assistant summarizes the history operations and makes further plans. Assistant sends Lee a notification and a QR code while moving to him. Lee scans the QR code and takes out the signed file. Assistant generates stop action while heading back to the charging station. Assistant has the printed file and moved to Sun for his signature. After informing Sun, he replies he does not have a pen. When the person lacks of something, Assistant can search the memory unit to find one. Assistant finds out that LLM has a pencil. It informs and sends her a QR code. LLM scans the QR code and puts her pen in the locker. Assistant perceives the changing information of the locker and decides to find Sun. Assistant informs Sun again, telling him that it has found a pen, and it sends him a new QR code to replace the expired one. When Mao replies that he is not available, Assistant searches in memory unit and finds out Wu is also next to the printer, but Wu replies that he is not in the office too. Assistant can't find another one in memory that can help with printing. Assistant decides to ask for help from an active group chat study group. Shaw sees the message sent from Assistant and replies that he can help. Assistant perceives Shaw's response and plans to ask him for help. Assistant's proactive thinking enables strong adaptability. Decision agent generates the explicit actions of informing Zhao and waiting for him. Zhao comes to print and scans the QR code and puts the file in the locker. Assistant manages to solve problems by searching for human assistants. Assistant perceives the locker state and decides to find Sun. It proactively collaborates with human and successfully complete task.